If you're tired of juggling multiple Excel files, searching for Excel sheets, or wasting time searching for another Excel file, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to build one powerful Excel file with a custom navigation bar that lets you jump instantly between different Excel sheets. What we're building. So what are we building today? Instead of opening different files for different purposes, we create one master Excel workbook. At the side, we add a navigation bar. With custom buttons, you can click to instantly move between Excel sheets. Step 1. Create your master Excel workbook. Let's first create a new Excel file that will contain all our core sheets. Next, let's open all our core sheet files. Now, let's copy each Excel sheet to our master Excel workbook. Let's start with our time tracker file. I'm just going to go down here to the sheet and I'll right click on it and choose move or copy. Then I check create a copy and then I'm going to click here on to book and select our master Excel worksheet and click OK. This spreadsheet now has been added to our master Excel worksheet. Let's repeat these steps for our remaining core Excel sheets. Great! Now we have all the Excel sheets in one workbook. Let's build our navigation bar. Step 2. Build the navigation bar. Go to the first sheet, insert some columns so that we have space for our navigation bar. Next, navigate to Insert, Shapes, and select the rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle, and in the shape field, choose the color you want. Now let's add a gradient. Next, in the Shape Format tab, remove the outline. This first shape is the background color for our navigation bar. The next step is to create our buttons. We will be creating 4 buttons in total, 1 for each Excel sheet. Now let's navigate to Insert, Shapes, and select the rectangle shape. Now draw the rectangle and select No Fill Color. Next, select the shape, hold Ctrl key, and drag the shape multiple times to duplicate the shape. Step 3. Align buttons. Select all shapes by clicking on one shape and then hold the Ctrl key if you're on Windows or hold the Shift key if you're on a Mac while selecting the shapes. In the shape format, align to left and distribute vertically. Step 4. Add text and styling. Now navigate to the Home tab, select a shape, and type the text you want. In our case, let's type the Excel sheet name. Align center and increase the font size. Let's make it bold. To avoid applying the same text formatting over and over again, simply select all shapes, select the font color and size, choose bold, and align the text as desired. Now we can simply enter the text of the remaining Excel sheets. Step 5. Link buttons to sheets. Great job! Now it's time to link our buttons to the sheets. Click on the first button, then press Ctrl K if you're on Windows or Command plus K if you're on Mac. An Insert Link pop-up will appear. Select Place in this document, select the associated sheet, and click OK. Now repeat these steps for the remaining sheets. Now every button is a shortcut to an Excel sheet. Let's click on the next button to see whether it will take us to another sheet. Great, it works. But now we can't navigate to the other sheets. To solve this, we need to copy our navigation menu to all sheets. Step 6. Copy navigation menu to all sheets. Select the first sheet, but let's first remove the outlines of our buttons. Select the button and in the shape outline, select no outline. Repeat these steps for the other buttons. Next, copy the navigation menu of the first sheet by selecting the columns and hitting Ctrl plus C to copy the columns. Next, navigate to the next sheet, select the first column, then right-click, select Insert Copied Cells. Now repeat this for the remaining sheets. Great! What this means is that no matter where you are in your Excel sheet, you're never stuck. This is what makes the system fast. Step 7. Highlight the active section. Now let's improve this further by highlighting the active section. Select the button of the sheet where you're currently on by right-clicking on the shape. Navigate to the Shape Format tab, change the fill color, then select Shape Effects and choose a shadow effect. Now let's make it even fancier by adding a vertical shape of the same color. Navigate to the Insert tab, select Shapes, and choose a rectangle shape. Draw the rectangle and select the same color as the button, then remove the outline. Now repeat these steps for the other Excel sheets. Now let's add a finishing touch. Navigate to the View tab and uncheck Grid Lines. Do this for the remaining sheets as well. Now let's click through every button to confirm our navigation works. And that's it! You now have one Excel file that tracks time, manages tasks, organizes projects, and you have your own document library, all in one place. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a deep dive into any section. I'll see you in the next one.